Hello everybody, John here with Shooting Tips and Tricks, and today I'm just going to show you guys briefly some of the variations on bullet weights when you're reloading. And with many brands of bullets, like the higher end ones, this isn't real crucial to better accuracy, but it does help. I've noticed since I started doing this that I get considerably less flyers when I shoot at the range. Now, for this one, I'm going to be sorting some of these burgers. They're the VLD Hunting 7mm 180 grain. Yep. And these are some of the better ones, so you'll get more consistent weights on them. As you can see, I only have 3 trays here for sorting them. The middle one is plus or minus 5,000 or 5/100ths of being 180, and then over here we have 5/100ths or more over, and down here is 5/100ths or more under. And generally they're within that range. Once in a great while you'll run into one that's outside of that range, but not too often. I'll just take one and set it on the scale here. Now on this scale, it's weighs in hundredths of a grain. That's why you notice on here it's 180 and it's 12/100ths over. Now for this one, it's going to be sitting in the far left there, or the far right rather. Just wait for it to zero out. Set another one on there. You can see this one, he's kind of juggling back and forth there. So since this is 2/100ths accuracy, a lot of times when it jumps back and forth like that, it's because it sits on one of those odd numbers. But this one's staying on the higher end, so we're going to put it with the 180s. And you can see this one here is a light one. He's sitting here. And that guy's jumping around quite a bit. Still holding zero. That's the one downside of these real precision scales, is they like to throw the zero real easy. And usually that's due to some sort of interference. They don't like radio waves and such like that. So yeah, it looks like this is a light one. So he's going to go on the far left. And you can see this one's, he might be a little bit heavy. Yep, it's staying on the high side. That guy will go in there. Alright, so yeah, just a little quick video. Figure I'd show you guys some of the inconsistencies you run into here. And a lot of target shooters will actually say that higher end bullets like the burgers, it's not so important to sort by weight but more by bearing surface. I haven't tried that before. I mean, there's only a certain extent that I take it, because I'm not anywhere near competition level shooting. But a lot of the others, like the Hornadies and the Sierras, those ones you get a pretty wide range on the weights. So some of them it's more important to sort by weight if you want more consistent groups. And then soft points, it's almost pointless to sort them by weight, because the soft point on them creates a gross variation on the bullet weight. So you'll be pulling your hair out trying to sort those. Yeah. And you run into that sometimes with lower end ballistic tip bullets, but not so much. Yep. Alright, well thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Alright, one last little note. If you want an idea of how sensitive the scale is, right here in these tweezers, that's 1 granule of H1000 powder.